Hey tech fans, welcome to Total Tech Reviews, where we cover anything and everything tech related. Today we're diving into some breaking news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra. And trust me, this isn't just another foldable. It's being teased as an Ultra experience. Could this be the most powerful foldable phone ever made? Will Samsung redefine mobile productivity again? Let's break down everything we know so far. Well, Samsung released a teaser ahead of Unpacked 2025. They called the Z Fold 7 an Ultra experience, hinting a flagship level of power. So what does the Ultra experience actually mean? Seamless multitasking with the One UI enhancements, potential integration with Galaxy AI features like summarizing, translation, and productivity tools, also having rumored of desktop-style productivity mode baked into the operating system. This is a tablet-sized phone, so why not be able to use it like a computer? Rumored specs: Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip bringing performance and incredible efficiency to the phone, featuring a massive 8.2-inch screen, lighter, thinner hinge with improved durability, a 200-megapixel rear camera, under-display front camera for cleaner multitasking, upgraded S Pen support, but it's not built in. Titanium frame like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and just like the S25 Ultra, it also comes with a QI2 wireless charging. Some of the options from Samsung include your choice of colors: black, blue shadow, and silver. The storage capacities are 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. So when can we expect the release date to be? Well, Samsung Galaxy Unpacked back in January rumored the release date for early July, possibly the 9th, maybe the 10th. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be the highlight device, while Samsung will also be launching the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the Z Flip 7 FE, a less expensive version of the Z Flip, along with the new Galaxy Watch 8 and the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Price predictions: likely somewhere in the $1,800 to $2,000 range. A phone of this magnitude doesn't come without its cost, but Samsung might offer early trade-in bonuses or exclusive pre-order bundles. So if you want one, be on the lookout for those deals. Why it matters: foldables haven't hit mainstream due to their size, price, and lack of power. The more screens you have, the faster the batteries drain. And no one likes being that person stuck to the wall plug. But if this phone truly delivers an Ultra experience, it could finally be the foldable that replaces your tablet or laptop. The Z Fold 7 is going to set the tone for how Apple and Google might respond. Are they going to attempt their own foldable phone? Samsung and Apple have been battling it out for years now. Is this going to be the only flagship that Apple won't attempt? Only time will tell. So, will you be upgrading to the Galaxy Z Fold 7 if it lives up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do foldables excite you? Are they still too gimmicky? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech-related news weekly. And thanks for watching. And remember, don't just like tech, use it. Until next time.